Hi everybody. I assume all of you know who I am. Still, for the benefit of all those who don't, I'm Vishal Rupani, one of the founders of Balanced Nutrition along with Kathy Rupani. The reason I'm talking today is I actually told Kathy that I want to speak something. I've gone through this program challenge for the last, I think, 7-8 days now. And it's not just about weight loss, it's not about fat loss. What I'm experiencing is something I wanted to share. I've been doing workouts all my life. Last few years there was a big gap where I was doing it on and off. So whenever I used to work out, I could see that if I do maximum 3 days a week, beyond that it was difficult for my body to cope up. Ever since I started this nutrition program at Balance with Kathy and her team, I've seen in last 7-8 days itself that my ability to work out has gone up manifold, probably 5x, because I've worked out 5 days a week without feeling tired. And my workouts are not moderate. I run about 8-10 kilometers. I do CrossFit kind of workout, which is plyometrics kind of workout. So I need, even my weight training is pretty intense. So I need recovery. So I used to find earlier that I used to take a long time to recover. Sometimes the soreness after weight training would be for 3 days. And now I find in the last 7-8 days that I'm working out without a sweat for about 5-6 days a week. That has been an eye-opener. I'm 40 plus. So when I was 33, 34 and now at 44, 45, I can see a big difference in my body. And suddenly this nutrition program, which I did not, let's be very honest, बोलते ना घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर, so I did dal barabar, so I did not take that very seriously. I used to do my own diet and nutrition. And ever since challenges started, I've taken it damn seriously. I followed Kathy and her team to the T. And I've seen such a monumental impact on my body and on my mind. The mental agility, the lightness I feel, it's something that, I cannot describe right now. It's something all of you must experience. What I'm trying to say is, do not get into a weight loss and fat loss kind of program just thinking about that, because there are such profound impact on your mental energy, on the lightness you feel. I feel extremely light. The agility, the stamina, everything has gone up. And this is just in 7 days. Yes, you will see the transformation challenge, you will see fat loss happening, and you must have seen some posts. But very important to my 40 plus friends, all in corporate life, nutrition is something you must follow. This is not about fat loss and weight loss just. What I'm experiencing is really profound. And if this continues for the next 60 days, I can't imagine the impact it will have on my body, which I took it for granted for many years. In fact, I was living in the past because at the age of 33, 34, I could work out, I could do everything. And then came a big gap of many years in the workout. And suddenly when I'm starting my workouts with intensity, I'm finding it difficult. And here is this last 7-day window where things have changed. And I'm feeling back to what I was almost, to be honest, 33, 34 in terms of the intensity. So nutrition is not about just fat loss and weight loss. It's something deep inside that it changes something. And I would really urge all people, especially about the age of 38, 40, to follow nutrition. And follow it for a holistic way of life, for living a fulfilled life. It is transformational. And this is what I've experienced for the last 7-8 days. Let's see, I have another 40 days to go. I'll share my experiences. But again, all my 40 plus friends in executive, especially in our executive and corporate life, follow nutrition. As they say, 80% diet and 20% workouts. I'm experiencing it, and I think it's even more relevant at a certain age, which is 40 plus. So guys, do follow nutrition.